In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import and use the templates that you downloaded from my template store. So for this video, we're going to be using this template on my website that says Digital Products Landing Page for Elementor. And before we download these templates, you can actually scroll down and see that this template needs Elementor free version and also Elements Kit Elementor add-ons plugin for it to work properly. So you have to come to your website and log in as an administrator. And while logged in, you can hover on plugin and select install plugins to check whether you have Elementor installed and activated. So we have Elementor installed and we also have Elements Kit Lite installed. So if you don't have these two plugins installed, you can just click on add new, and here you can search for the plugin you want to install and install the plugin and also activate the plugin. So having installed and activated the plugin, you can now come to templates and select add new. So we're just going to close this and we're going to select import templates. Now, when you download the template from my website, you're going to get the file in a zip format. So we're just going to click on choose file and locate the file on your computer. But for my own case, I have the file here in my downloads tab. So I'm just going to drag and drop it into this section. So I'm going to drag the file now. And then we have the file here. So we're just going to click on import now. So we've imported the templates. Then what we need to do is to add these templates to a page on our website. Now to do that, we need to come to pages and select add new. And then we're going to give it the title of digital product. And if you're using OceanWP, you might want to activate this plugin, these settings rather. Click on full width and also come to title and select disable page title. Now, if you're not using OceanWP, you can come to template here and select Elementor full width. Now we're going to hit publish. And let's view this page in a new tab. So we're going to open in a new tab and we're going to see that there's nothing on this page. So there it is, guys. There's nothing on this page, and the settings we activated, Elementor full width, gives Elementor the ability to add the design to the full width of your website. Now let's import this template to this page. Now all we need to do is to come back to this page and select edit with Elementor, and we're just going to click on this folder icon. I'm going to select my templates. Now we're just going to find the template we imported earlier, which is this. I'm going to click on insert. Now we're going to click on apply. And the template is going to be automatically imported on our website. Now, if you experience this thing, your editor is going to reload and then it's going to remove the settings we had the other time. Do not panic. All you need to do is to just click on this settings icon here and then change the page layouts back to Elementor full width. So after selecting that option, the editor is going to reload also, and then you're going to have your design on the full width of your website. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can import the templates that you downloaded from my website on your own website, and you can just click on this image icon here to replace the image. Let me just find an image in my media library that I can use for tutorial. Let's just select this image and insert media, and every other thing also can be changed, the text, the color, and every other thing. And when you're done with the design, you're just going to come down here to click on updates, and let's view this page in a new tab. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can import my templates onto your website and use it for your own purpose. Thank you for watching.